Let's take a look at replacing the intake air temp sensor on the 6-liter Powerstroke engine. Now, as you can tell, we've already got the air cleaner assembly removed out of here, removed the intercooler piping here. We're doing some other work on this truck as well. But the intake air temp sensor is mounted right back here behind the fuel lines. This is where the fuel comes up and feeds the filter assembly. Now, as you can tell, somebody's probably already done the blue spring update. We can see we've got a couple different zip ties on this truck. But I'm going to reach behind here and pinch the electrical connector, get that up, set that out of my way, take my 21 millimeter socket with an extension and a ratchet. It just fits over there. And this comes loose relatively easy. Now remember, this is just going into the air intake, so there's not going to be any leaks. So I can pull this out of here, and wow, if you look at it, you see it's pretty carboned up. Especially when you compare that to our new one, you'll see a significant difference here. And probably not reading real accurate at that point. So I'm going to take my new sensor, I'm going to drop it in the hole here, and start it by hand. Get it run down there so it's not cross-threaded. And I'll run it down the rest of the way here by hand. Go ahead and tighten it up with my ratchet. I'll plug in my electrical connector, get it down in there. Now I just have to reassemble the piping, the air cleaner, make sure everything's good and sealed up here. If there are any trouble codes set in the PCM by the previously faulty or miscalibrated sensor, we're going to clear those out and we're ready to go. We've just replaced the intake air temp sensor on the 6-liter Powerstroke engine.